welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for so long, but you know, the holidays came up, New Year's and all that. And all that unnecessary drama. I don't need you though. I'm back with a new makeup tutorial. Look. I ordered some new wigs, so I'm waiting for them to come in. So let me just flaunt this wig right here, okay? It's all good, okay? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment below, and follow me on my Instagram page. I'm more active over there, so y'all can just hit that, please. I'm kidding. Anyways, I love you, Mermabies, so much. You guys don't know. You guys mean the world to me. So the more love you show, the more makeup tutorials and the more YouTube videos I'll be posting. Anyways, let's get to the video and let's take a swim with me. Okay, I'm back and I'm ready to swim my little tail, my mermaid tail. Okay, I already did my eyebrows. You know, that's a long process, and I don't know why they're thick right now, but don't worry, drag makeup, it's just like it's not finished until it's completely done. Okay. Post the ring bell thingies so each time when I upload a video you guys would know when it's posted. So ring that bing bing bing, ring that bell. Just set. My best friend gave it to me, Princess of Makeup, Alyssa. If you're watching this, I love you so much. Oh, it's so soft. I'm going to be using the new PH Cosmetic brush, so I can't wait to use these bad boys. She also got me the PH Cosmetic palette, the Deluxe edition. It comes with 21 eye color eyeshadow and the highlighters. I'm going to be using this color right here around my crease area. These brushes are so flipping soft. Just like my ex-boyfriend's butt. Uh-oh. Next, I'm going to darken the inner crease area with a dark brown color. Yeah, that's right. Next, I'm going to use the purple dark color. I honestly hope they had names. Oh my god, this is... And then I'm going to be cutting my cut crease, and I'll be cleaning this up off camera because we all know the long process. So let's do it. Oh! Don't worry, I'll be back, honey, I'm not going anywhere. Okay, I'll be back. I'll be back to swim with you guys, okay? This is extremely expensive. It's the YSL primer. I heard really good stuff about this, so I'm going to just test it out. First time actually using it. So just a little pump because I'm broke as AF. Not too much. And I'm just gonna... Oh honey, it smells so good. Oh, they weren't playing. It made me burp. It moved my neck. As you can see, I didn't wax my face just because I didn't have time. Oh, this smells so good. I recommend you guys. Oh, I love it. I'm gonna let my primer dry a little bit into my skin, so you know, get that into that skin, honey. I'm going to be doing the foundation part and how I sculpt my face, like a speed up routine like I did last time. I promise. Okay, I'll promise I'll do the foundation portion next video. I promise. Okay, pinky promise. Okay, pinky. Oh, okay. Anyways, well, let's just get to the video. Feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips, and feel it in your head. Slay your body. Okay, honey, I'll be back. Yeah. Okay, so next I want to put my lips and then my eyelashes and my eyeliner. You're gonna grab a lip brush and just tap. Ooh, girl, I'm having a heart attack. The Huda Beauty eyelashes. I did the other eye. I'm gonna go get my dries. You know. Thank you for swimming with me. getting all dressed up, no glammed up. Okay, yeah, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys next time with a new makeup tutorial video. Bye! Love you guys, love you, Mermabies. As always, always slay and stay fiece.